Social media is going viral, and there is a good reason for that. Research has shown that companies that use video content grow revenue 49% faster than companies that don't. Even Instagram has announced that it no longer wants to be known as a photo-sharing platform. So, it's about to throw out the old and replace it with things like companies and influencer makers all over the world are using Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts to engage with their audience through short videos. The videos provide an opportunity to showcase your expertise and build your credibility in your industry. By creating educational videos, you can share valuable knowledge, ideas, and tips related to your products or services. This positions your brand as a trusted authority and helps build a solid reputation among your target audience. If you're a local marketer trying to get to the next level, I can help. Domestic Marketing Video, Shorts Group. The secret weapon that will revolutionize your content marketing strategy. Designed exclusively for agencies and marketing consultants like you, this collection of short videos is a golden ticket to educate, engage, and entertain your audience like never before. Prepare to make a lasting impression that separates you from the crowd. Check out this demo for yourself. But what makes these short video clips special? Each video is a treasure trove of valuable insights, including digital marketing tips and practical strategies for engaging with local business owners. We've made every effort, so you can easily educate and engage your audience and establish yourself as the expert they've been looking for. Most importantly, this collection of short videos is fully editable. Don't like the title? Edit it. Do you not like marketing tips? Other. Do you not like colors? Other. You can customize these clips as little or as much. You can even add your own voiceover. Simply log into Canva and customize your branding and any other elements you wish. Colors, images, fonts, and more. You will also receive 15 motivational videos of famous personalities. These suspenseful and moving clips are filled with life wisdom from the world's biggest celebrities and businessmen. Motivate and inspire your audience to dig deeper and move forward with this celebrity shorts collection. But we're not done yet. You will also receive 50 vertical business motivational posts. As a special reward for the first 25 who take action, you will also receive Bonus 1, Taxonomy Tag Trends Report. This report provides valuable insights into popular hashtags, enabling businesses, marketers, and researchers to make data-driven decisions, improve engagement, and get inspiration for their own posts. Bonus 2, over 100 local short video topics. Keep your audience hooked and in the know with this inspiration-packed sheet of over 100 fresh ideas for your next short videos. It is a treasure trove of inspiration, drawn directly from the questions and concerns of my clients and followers. 1. Start by creating a compelling professional-looking channel page that reflects your style and content. 2. Plan and script out content ideas carefully. It takes just minutes to record, but could make or break the quality of the video. 3. Aim for consistency, post regularly, and keep viewers engaged with meaningful content. So, what are you waiting for? Local marketing video shorts. Kit is your unfair advantage to unlock an endless stream of targeted traffic on social media. This is not just another marketing tactic, it is a game changer. Another set of frequently asked questions, answers your potential questions about content, how it's used and customized, and what iteration is. You can edit and reuse the content in your own style to reflect the personality and style of your agency. It is highly encouraged that you redesign it and get the most out of your purchase. This is not PLR content. It is the highest quality of any PLR content you can buy, and is for personal use only. Does not include PLR, resale, or gift rights. This allows us to limit the number of people using it, and thus creates better value and a more useful range of content for each of our customers. This special offer is ending soon, so feel free to purchase this entire set today at a special price. Do you have other questions about the content or how to benefit from it? Feel free to contact us through our support desk for more information. Don't miss this special offer. Get this set today at a special price and enjoy the benefits and privileges it will offer you. You are welcome at any time if you need further assistance or inquiries.